into this new video. In this video I brought you the unboxing of a budget mic which is very popular among YouTubers and vloggers, and I'm going to share with you my experience, and in the other part of the video I will also show you the mic testing. So don't try to skip the video, watch it till the end, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video and share the video. So I'll see you in the next part. Here it is. It's a Boya By-M1 mic. It's a condenser microphone, and this is how its box looks like. And I bought it from my nearest market in Karachi in 1500, and it's a budget mic as well, and can be very useful for your YouTube videos. Either you are a vlogger or a YouTuber or a social media worker. So it can work on your smartphones, DSLR cameras, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, laptop, everything. And it is very easy to use. Now let's see what does the box contain for us. The box contains a mic with a very long wire. You can see how long the wire is. This area contains cell. I have opened it and seen it, and there is an on-off switch on it. You know, when you on it, for camera and for smartphone. Down is for smartphone, or up is for camera. On here is how it looks like. It contains this kind of pin, which is 3mm jack. Can easily be used with your Android and your laptop. And there is its look. And this clip can be very useful for holding it on your collars and on your wherever you want. With a very long wire you can take it far away shots, and by wearing this mic you can move around as well. So it's going to be very helpful. Now let's see what else is there. It contains this pouch in which you can keep it and keep your mouth, keep your mic dust free by using this pouch. Other things are the warranty card and this manual for guiding you how to use it on your depending on the device you are going to use it with. Okay, you can read it. What else is there in the box? There are silica gels, and this is this foam which helps you to cancel your chirpy sound from when you speak. There comes a chirpy sound out directly on the mic. To cancel this noise, it helps a lot. Okay, I have put it. That's how it looks like, cute. Other thing is they have given this thing to connect your mic from DSLR camera. Okay, this time the voice you hear is the voice from the microphone of my Android. In this clip you can hear the voice of the microphone of Boya By-M1 mic, and it's quite clear. As you can see, quite a big difference between the two of the microphones, and it is very helpful for you to shoot your videos on the go, outside or at your home, anywhere you want. And here's its long wire, which is also going going to be helpful for you to shoot your video at any point where you would like to shoot. So here I am going to tell you about my final reviews about this mic. Conclusion that this mic is a budget mic and very affordable for anyone who's starting a new YouTube channel or on uploading videos and showing the world about their and showing the world their content. So in order to interact at least at some basic level, everyone should have this mic. So it's going to help you a lot to interact with the public and give your content more confidently, and because it removes all the noise from the background and also for all the extra noises, and it's better than many different your microphone of your Android and also the microphone of your hands headsets. Like I previously have used the microphones of headphones and another budget low price mics, but they were quite noisy. They were not removing the noise from background, so it was quite problematic from the beginning videos of mine. So this is why I have bought this mic. I hope it will also going to help you a lot. So upgrade yourself in a slight way and go towards better step by step by first of all purchasing this Boya By-M1 mic. I hope you like today's video. So I will see you in my next video with another good idea. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.